number 3, there's several ways to answer this. Plugging in your answers is one excellent way, but straightforward method, I like to do the elimination method, and this one has a nice little trick, so I'm going to show you how to do this one using the elimination. But I think backtracking or plugging in the options is also a really good choice here. So don't think that, that I'm urging against that. The elimination method, though, means when you add up 2 equations vertically, you try and eliminate one of the two variables. And I can see I have a plus y and a minus 2y. And I'm also noticing all of these factors of 2 in that second equation. So I'm going to take my second equation and multiply it by 1/2 so that I end up with x minus y equals -11. And then I'll take my top equation and I'll get 3x. I didn't change anything at all. I just wanted to have the 2 equations, one on top of the other, so I can add them vertically. And you'll see if I add them up this way, the y's are going to cancel for me right away. So this, usually you don't multiply by 1/2 here, right? Usually you pick a whole number, something that would make the 2 values cancel. Like I might have multiplied the top equation by 2 to make these cancel. That would have worked too. I just thought that the 1/2 would give me smaller numbers. So I prefer going with that way, but it is certainly not the only way. When I add these, I can see the y's are going to cancel. That's exactly what I wanted. 3x plus x is 4x equals -16. Divide both sides by 4. I'll get -4. Looking down these options here, A is the only possible answer. You should always double check. So let's see about this 7. Let's make sure if I plug in -4 for x that I get 7 for y. I'll plug that into the top equation. Let's see, -12 plus y is -5. Let's add 12 to both sides. Yeah, I do get y equals 7. This question has been answered and double checked.